What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be 3D printing out Iron Giant. For these 3D printing videos, most of them are set in the summer that went. So if you like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell and hit that like button to show me that you want to see more videos of me 3D printing out stuff. And I hope you enjoy it. And I also forgot to tell you guys that there's going to be no clips of me putting together Iron Giant because he was an absolute nightmare to put together. So there's going to be no clips of me putting him together or painting him because he's just too big. But there is clips of me 3D printing out his parts, and there will be me 3D printing off Hogarth and painting him as well.